at VMV, we talk about sun and light because it isn't just sun. SPF is sun protection factor. This is measured protection against UVB, which is not actually what I'm getting today, which is quite cloudy where I am. UVB is usually present on bright, cloudless days. It's really strong sunlight outdoors, and UVB does not penetrate windows. UVB can cause skin cancer, skin aging, irradiates the skin, all that stuff. UVA is ultraviolet A and is as important. Unlike UVB, I can get UVA on a cloudy day and it can penetrate windows. So UVA can actually penetrate deeper. Is what tans your skin, which is why UVA tanning beds, not a good idea. The damage can be deeper. It can cause many different skin and health problems. With sun damage, it's actually cumulative throughout your life. So even the little sun that you get sort of crossing the street or that comes through a window while you're working, that counts. That accumulates in your skin damage. You need to use sun and light screen every single day, whether or not you're indoors and out.